Moving to the cloud is no longer about when, but how. However, migrating to the cloud isn't easy. IT leaders continue to face many challenges. There are several decisions that need to be taken and pain points addressed. Questions like, is my data secure in the cloud? Shall we go with a private or public or hybrid model? What is the ROI? Which provider do I choose? AWS, Azure, Google Cloud or others, needs to be answered. RapidValue helps you find the answers to such questions. Our 2-day cloud consulting workshop helps you take the right first step for your cloud migration journey, and helps you craft a strong cloud migration strategy for your business. So, what will you get out of this workshop? We will develop a high-level cloud migration strategy and roadmap for your business. We will do the TCO analysis and assess your DevOps maturity level. We will also provide you with ideas on how to optimize your cloud. We have our proprietary cloud-first methodology called BRAVE. The BRAVE methodology stands for Bootstrap. Here we develop cloud-first goals aligned with business objectives. Role resources. We help to establish a center of excellence with the right resources and well-defined roles. Assessment. We assess the organization and its application portfolio. Evaluate. We evaluate, prioritize and plan application cloud migration and adoption. And execute. This is when we implement the cloud migration and adoption plan. So, are you ready to jumpstart your cloud migration journey? Register now. Visit the link in the description to start your 2-day cloud consulting workshop.